my God, where am I? Am I in space? God, I must have, taken the wrong candy or something. Some music would hit right now. Oh my God. Is this Saturn? What's going on?
You talking about Nina? The big hunter race. I got 82 moons again with this drama. I want to get my cousin on the Titan.
Attack on Titan. What?
Oh my God, no, you idiot. The moon, not the show. Ever heard of any methane, makes, any of that?
Am I talking to a planet? Yes, that's correct. Today we're going to talk about Titan, one of Saturn's many moons. I am going to try to make this as fast as possible. It was just a very interesting mission for me to choose. I originally was going to do Pluto, but no. 500,000 images, 600 gigabytes of data, and 6 new moons. An atmosphere denser than Earth. And a trip to be soon? Let's get through it. So, here I have my model of Titan and Cassini. In 1997, Earth launched the 2-part spacecraft Cassini, the orbiter, and huygens, the lander. The mission was to explore Saturn and its moons, especially Titan. There's been books on it. There have been photos dating super early back. And why not take this opportunity to explore it? So, when we talk about a space mission, no one talks about how long it takes. Did you know it actually took 7 years for Cassini to even get to Saturn? This was done via something called a gravity assist. We will launch something into space, and using the orbital gravity of another planet, you gain momentum, and as they speed up, it'll push that object to the next nearest planet. Now, 7 years is a long time, but Cassini pushed through, and she got there. In 2005, Cassini dropped off the huygens probe as it parachuted through Titan's thick atmosphere and landed on the surface. Now, there are 2 different parts of Cassini huygens. Cassini being the orbiter, and huygens being the lander. The lander is what actually lands on the planet. Cassini orbiter, lander huygens. Cassini ended up making around 294 orbits around Saturn, and in 2005, Cassini dropped off the huygens probe, which parachuted all the way to Titan. In that time, we got so much footage and photos of Saturn and of Titan. Now, back to Titan. Let's get a closer look. Whoops, let's try it again. Easy. There we go. Over the next 13 years, Cassini flew over Titan past 100 times and discovered geysers on another moon on Claudius, and even hinted at some underground oceans. Now, through this, we actually got some very key points of Earth's building blocks, or life's building blocks, as I must say. There was a temperature recorded of negative 179 degrees Celsius, and we found out that Titan has rivers, lakes, and seas made out of liquid methane. Now, what I'm showing you here is Titan's actual landing. On the left side, you can see a diagram that shows the parachute, and on the right, we have some thermometers of some sort. Honestly, it's really eerie. Just looking into all these rocks, it's just like a rock-filled world, which is ours, but with no light. Back to huygens, this dude died in 1965. Huygens did not survive on Titan, merely for 2 hours and 27 minutes. Huygens gave us so much photos, and as I said, 600 gigabytes going straight to Earth, just like that. In 2009, There was a confirmed presence of liquid lakes, not water, but methane and ethane, making Titan the only known world besides Earth with surface liquids. In April 26, 2017, Cassini began its final mission, the grand finale. So, it went straight in between Saturn and its rings 22 times, a risky path, and at 123,000 kilometers per hour, it plunged into Saturn's atmosphere. The final image being the region it would dive into, making it a really sad goodbye. In its final moments, Cassini was collecting science data on the ionosphere, magnetic fields, and dust. It burned up in Saturn's skies like a shooting star, but by design, it was to protect moons like Titan from contamination of Earth-like DNA. Cassini's mission lives on, and in the 2030s, NASA will send Dragonfly, a drone-like lander, to explore Titan's surface once again, powered by isotope thermoelectric generators and a drone. Titan still holds secrets, and Cassini helped pave the way to find them. You guys, thank you so much. It's not just the moon, it's one of the most intriguing worlds we've ever met. To be continued.